So right now we're at the visitor center. It's pretty cool. They told us about the whole park and everything, and the cranes. And there's a bunch of wildlife out here, more than I thought. I mean, look at them two cranes right there. Just right there in front of me. But no, for real, this place seems pretty cool. It's like a big old loop. I don't know if you could see the water out there. Yeah, you can see it right there. See all that water? That's where all the cranes come and land, I guess at night. Well, when the sun is setting. And there's a bunch of other birds and javelinas and wolves and stuff like that here. So we'll go and check it out right now. But wanted to take you guys around here to kind of show you the visitor center.
And maybe even into a little bit of Utah, but
So here we go. We're walking up to see the cranes. There's a bunch of them out here too. I don't know if you guys could hear them, but they're doing something. What'd you say? These are fighting. Very cool. They try and keep it pretty much as nature would have it. This wants to stay until sunset so we could see the cranes come in, because that's when they all fly in. This little hike, or little walk on this boardwalk is only about, I think, less than a half a mile. Maybe even like a quarter mile. Today's coffee mix is Starbucks Italian roast, which is pretty good, I guess. I don't know. I don't think I've tried this one yet. And of course, our good old homemade creamer and sugar. And I'm glad I brought these things out because I wanted to try them. I got one of them for Liz at Christmas time. It's like a spork, but it's really it's a longer handle, so that way if you're ever eating food out of a bag, you could dig all the way in. Well, you got to, I mean, I felt like if I was a little bit more quiet, then I could have got right up on them. I got about 10, 15, 20 yards maybe away from the turkey, and they didn't even flinch at me. So I was kind of scared to get any closer, because what if they started attacking me? Then I would have had to really, take one out and maybe keep it for dinner.